Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out this FauxHawk Kit. This is the packaging it comes in. And if this actually works, we'll probably be using it quite often because we do like the look of a faux hawk, but it can be time consuming to make. So this is what comes in the kit. It reminds me a lot of the banana clips, if you remember those from the 80s. And then it also comes with some bobby pins. So I'm just going to read these instructions. The first step says to grab hair into ponytail, then place open faux hawk tool under the ponytail and close near the top of her head to secure. Instead of starting with just a regular ponytail, I am going to be bringing the front section of her hair back into a small elastic just so that we can control what the front of her hair looks like. Now before I move on to making the main ponytail, I'm just going to pull the front of this out a little bit so that it has some volume. And then the rest of this, I'm just going to pull back into a standard ponytail, and I'm going to place the elastic right beneath this one. Okay, now that I have that ponytail in, I'm going to place the tool on her hair, and it says to place this clip at the top. So I guess just like this. Okay, the directions for the next step say braid loose hair and secure below tool with bobby pin. I'm not really understanding what they mean by that, but I'm just going to go ahead and braid her hair so that it's in a ponytail like that. Okay, the next step says loosen braid by pulling sections apart, then secure sections to hair with bobby pins on each side of the tool. So I am just going to go ahead and pull this braid apart. I'm guessing that you're going to want this pulled apart quite a bit, or it's not really going to fit around the tool. So I'm really stretching the sides of this a lot. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this and put it up over the top of this tool here and then pin the sides. I'm seeing that you're going to need pretty long hair to do this. If your hair is on the shorter side, I don't really see it working because it's not going to cover the entire tool. Okay, there really were no instructions on what to do with the ends, so what I'm going to do is just tuck them up underneath like this and then just kind of pin the braid around it. Okay, here's how it's looking after pinning the sides down. You can still see that it's a braid. To me, it kind of just looks like we folded a braid and pinned the sides down like we did, not really like a regular faux hawk. But I do think it's cute and it was super easy to do. We just found this at Walmart. You can probably find them at most department stores, or if I find it on Amazon, I'll link it below. It was around $5, and I think it would be an easy, quick hairstyle for school mornings. I don't know that I love it as much as I would if we made just a regular faux hawk using messy buns, but it is cute.